I'm Aidan from Byron Building Co. We're in Suffolk Park and this is 7 Muli Place. You can see we've managed to bring in some details to the build and I think that really just ties everything in together. We've got 2 dwellings, we've got the 2-bedroom granny flat here on my right and then the main house, which is a 4-bedroom, about 450 square metres internally, so it's a great home for them. So in here we've got the entry foyer coming in, double height voided ceiling. We've got this set of stairs that we've got wrapping from the first level up to the top level. We made it out of chipboard and we're wrapping it in oak, raw finish oak to match all the cabinetry. And yeah, the guys are just taking the engineered boards and detailing them over the stairs, so it'll get this nice look wrapping up from the foyer up to the main kitchen area. So in here we have the main living, dining, kitchen area. All the painting's been completed. We're just waiting on the last bit of stone for the bench top, but let's have a look.
What's your fingers? It's going to be...
Looks good. So the boys have just brought up the second piece of stone for the main island. The clients have gone 40mm thick here. Yeah, man-made stone, looks awesome. Nice big curves there. Obviously extremely heavy as you can see. But yeah, the boys have nailed it. So it'll be, obviously this overhang here creates some space for stools and seating. But yeah, it looks good. And again, the fish scale splashbacks, which tie in with here, as well as our bar area and our butler's pantry. We've added in these 3 skylights here within the kit's roof trusses. These are standard skylights and they fit perfectly between these 600 centres and it just adds so much light into this kitchen area. Come in here, we added an arch detail here to tie in with some of the other details of the bathrooms with the arched mirrors and arched vanities. And yeah, really generous butler's pantry in there, plenty of space, really good usable area. And then a little bar area here, which is going to have a mini bar fridge. Obviously these clients love entertaining and having guests around. This space is perfect for that and really designed to do that. And yeah, plenty of light. It's got an amazing view up onto the hinterland. And yeah, it's coming up really well. In here we are in the master bathroom. We have a very generous double shower here. We're going to detail it with 2 fixed glass panels, so no door, just a simple walk-in, and we're going to curve the glass to tie in with the other curves in the bathroom. Again, we added another standard V-Lux skylight into that truss opening, but it really just brings in so much light into that shower space. And yeah, all the toilets, are all in-wall systems. The vanities are all wall hung. And yeah, it's going to be a big bathroom, plenty of space, and it connects right into here, into the walk-in robe. Again, we simplified the walk-in robe just to 1 long stretch of joinery, same in the oak finish to tie in, little makeup station at the back. Yeah, but again, a very generous space, really easy to use and functional. And then we come round from there to the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, we just detailed this wall with V-groove cladding, which is what the clients wanted. But yeah, it's really again, beautiful views, plenty of light, and it's going to be a great space for them. So this is the deck area on the ground level. This is a plungy pool, the biggest plungy pool you can get. Fair amount of groundworks to get it here, but once we got it here, it's just done. And it's, for this size home, it's definitely a big enough pool. We've wrapped it in the Merbau decking and installed the frameless glass pool fencing. So yeah, it's a great little hangout for the kids off the main house, and it'll be an enjoyable space for them.